Hello children. Welcome back to class 1. Okay, as we were doing, Janvi has two flowers numbered 3 and 2. At first she forms the number 32. So पहले उसने एक नंबर बनाया 32 and then she forms the number 23 with those flowers. Which is the bigger number? Which will be the bigger number? Yes, the bigger number will be 32 and the number name of 32 is THIRTY 30 TWO2. Okay, so when you have any two numbers, you can make two numbers from the given two digits. One will be the bigger number and the other will be the smaller number. Okay. Now see the next example. What number will 9 tens and 2 ones make? What number will 9 tens and 2 ones make? Yes? Number 9 tens means 90 and 2 ones. So 90 plus 2 will give you 91 and 92. So we are going to write here 92 and the number name of 90 is NINETY 90 TWO2. You have to be correct about the spelling 2, TWO2. Okay, the next example we'll see now. Now we are going to revise about what is ascending order and descending order. In the previous chapter also we have done. हमने किया है ascending and descending order. So we will revise it once again by taking big numbers. So what is ascending order? Ascending order क्या होता है? The numbers which we arrange from small to big. Numbers which we arrange from small to big, that is called as ascending order, or also it is called as increasing order. Ascending या increasing. Increase means to increase. बढ़ता number एक एक बढ़ता जाता है. So when you climb the steps, जब नीचे से ऊपर जाना है, when you climb it, so what you do? You are there on the first step, then you go on the second step, third step, fourth step, and then you keep on climbing up. That is called as ascending order, or from the smaller number to the larger number or bigger number. When we arrange the numbers from smallest to the largest, they are in increasing or ascending order. Ascending order को increasing order भी बोलते हैं. Okay? Now we will see the examples of that. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. So the numbers which are given to you are 7 1 71, 8, 18, 57 and 27. Now these numbers you are going to arrange in ascending order. Now first see, there are all 2 digits, सब नंबर में 2 digit है, सिर्फ 8 में एक ही digit है. So which will be the smaller number among this? Which is the smaller number? सब 2 डिजिट के नंबर से सिर्फ 8 है कि उसका एक ही नंबर है. सो द स्मॉलर नंबर विल बी 8. सो फर्स्ट वी विल राइट 8. देन आफ्टर 8 check the first digit in the given number. Here there is 7, here there is 1, here 5 and 2. So 7, 1, 5 and 2. Now among these numbers, which is the smaller number? Is 7 smaller? No. 1 is smaller? Yes. So you have to see the digits. When 2 digits numbers are given to you, you will check the digits in the tens place first. The digits in the tens place. So the next number will be 1, 8, 18. After 18, after 1 there is 27. So the next number is 27. After 2, 3 is there? No. 4, it is not there. 5 is there? Yes. So which number is 5? It is number 57. So we will write here 57. And the remaining number, which is the last number which is left? It is number 71. So the ascending order for the given numbers is 8, 18, 27, 57 and 71. Okay. Now see the next example. 3, 33, 63, 93 and 1330. Now here in this number, 3 is in ones place. See, in all the ones place there is number 3. Again 3 is a single digit number. 3 को सिर्फ एक ही नंबर है. So the smallest number will be 3. So we will write here 3. After 3, check the remaining numbers. In the first tens place, here we are having 3. In number 63, in the tens place 6 is there. In 93, tens place 9 is there. And in 1313, 1 is there. So which will be the smaller number after 33? After 3, you have to write the number 1330. Then after 30, what will come? 3333. After 33, the number 63. And then we will have the last number, that is 93. Then the next example, 94, 92, 90, 9 and 91. Now, can you see here, in all the tens place there is 9. Only again 1 9. So, we will write 9 as it is first. Now, what we will check? We will check the numbers in the ones place. क्यों? Because सारे प्लेस पे 9 in tens place, everywhere there is 9. Yes, 9, 9, 9, 9 and 9. So when there are same numbers in the tens place, you have to see the numbers in the ones place. Now here in the ones place it is 4, 2, 0 and 1. So which will be the smaller number? The number with 0. The number with 0 will be the smaller number. So 9, 90, after 0, 91, after 91, we will have 92, and after 92, we will have the number 94. So this is the ascending order. The numbers where we are going to arrange it from small to big. So this is the ascending order. You have to practice solving the sums. You can draw the pictures from small to big while practicing, so that you can keep it in mind. You can take a small flower, then you can draw a little bit bigger flower than that, little bit more bigger flower than that, and you have to arrange them in the ascending order. Or you can take one newspaper. You can cut the shapes, one big, one small, one little bit bigger than that, and arrange that shapes on a paper. Stick the shapes on the paper in such a way that they are arranged in the ascending order. So this activity you can do. Cut any shapes, draw any small things which you can draw, like a ball, flower, square, triangle. Draw different sizes. एक छोटा, एक उससे छोटा, एक और बड़ा. So draw like this 4 to 5 shapes of different size, and then arrange them in the ascending order. And you can write the numbers also on that sheet. So you will never forget what is ascending order. In tomorrow's lecture, we will see what is descending order. Okay? In the next lecture, we are going to see what is the descending order. Okay, children? Thank you. Have a nice day and bye.